Good morning. My name is Ernesto Koje, CEO, Koje's Consult Education. Now, in our series of standardized tests, today I shall be discussing the major difference between the TOEFL exam and the IELTS exam. The TOEFL exam, which is a test of English for foreign learners, is an exam conducted by ETS, Educational Testing Service in the United States of America. So TOEFL is more popular than IELTS in America. And then IELTS is an exam conducted by the British government, International English Language Testing Service. Now, first of all, people often ask me which do I prefer. Well, when you talk about that, we want to look first of all at the administrative structure, the exam structure, and then how easy it is to get results and do other things. Number one, for the administrative structure, TOEFL is far superior to IELTS. For TOEFL, you can easily do them in mail and then you get your response quick. But for IELTS, you send email, they don't respond on time. You call them, they don't pick. Their computer, their telephone service system is really messed up. Then number two, for IELTS, if for whatever reason you decide to reschedule your exam, it's very easy. Up to 4 days before the exam, you can reschedule for as little as $20. But for IELTS, you pay 17,000 naira and you can only pay through bank draft. As a result of this, the process becomes very cumbersome and they don't respond on time. If for whatever reason you fail to do that effectively, you forfeit your money you paid for the exam. Number three, TOEFL is far cheaper than IELTS. You can get TOEFL for 60,000 naira. But for IELTS, the minimum is 68,000 naira rather, and then you pay through bank draft, but you cannot pay through online system. So eventually, you're spending as high as 72,000 naira. Then, when it comes to the exam structure, administrative structure, we've talked about the administrative structure. For the exam structure, they both deal with the four modules of reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Now, the TOEFL for the speaking number one, it's easier to score good marks, although it has 6 sections, which makes it more than that of IELTS that has about three. But the number two section of IELTS is very, very tedious too. So as a result of that, my students have often scored more marks in their TOEFL than in their IELTS. And then the reading as well. The reading, I think they have almost the same level of complexity, except for the fact that IELTS has about 9 question types, and TOEFL also has about 10 question types, but very radically different types of questions. But for the TOEFL reading, I still prefer it to that of IELTS because the TOEFL reading follows a standard pattern which we teach, which should be a clear-cut introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. And with the TOEFL body paragraphs, you can answer at least 70% of your reading questions correctly by just reading the first and the last sentences of each paragraph. Then for the writing, of course, the TOEFL has the integrated writing and independent writing. The integrated writing, you listen to a lecture, you also, when you finish listening to a lecture, you read the passage and then you are told to answer. But for that of IELTS, for the academic, is a graph you deal with, and then for the general, it is the letter you deal with. Then they both have what we call the independent essay, where you be given this normal essay topic. For instance, it could be something that asks you to give your own opinion or which do you support. So that is clear. And then for the then for the listening, the listening of the IELTS is such that you have 40 questions, and that of the TOEFL is about 36 questions, about 1 hour each. And then I still prefer that of the TOEFL because it's very similar to the type of questions they ask in their reading exercises. You know, the main purpose, why was this said, what is the meaning of this, and all of that. And well, to now come back to the scoring of the exam, IELTS is over 9, while TOEFL is over 120. Each of the modules in IELTS TOEFL is 30. You know, so your total score will be over 120. And like I said, one of our students in December, Benumi, recently scored 112 over 120. And then for IELTS is over 9. Now, every module in IELTS is rated over 9, but eventually they take the sum, they take the average of everything, so which is supposed to be 36, and then you still become over, or total still is based on over 9. And then we've had good results. So one of our students, Dolakbo, recently had 8.5 over 9 too, you know, and these results are on our blog, on our social media platforms, and all of that. And so I won't say that my take would always be for TOEFL. It's cheaper, it's relatively easy to communicate with them and do business with them, and above all, I think it is simpler. And so this is why most of the youth who come here for training go for TOEFL. Thank you.